So I've got about 2.5 hours before I have to leave to do my event tonight. So I thought I would talk about equipment logistics. This is an important thing that I have to think about a lot, especially as a disabled person, but really anyone who's out doing mobile DJ work needs to think about some of these things. When you're looking at any piece of equipment, the first thing I ask myself is, will this work for the type of events that I do? Is it too big? Is it too small? Will it work? Second thing I have to think about is, do I have a vehicle to haul this around in? Because sometimes people will buy a piece of equipment, believe it or not, and they haven't thought about how they're going to get it from point A to point B. This is something you need to think about. Will it fit in your vehicle? Can you set this up by yourself, or will you need assistance? This is something that I think about with every single piece of equipment that I buy. Now, I have things that, yeah, it's best if someone helps me, but in a pinch, if all of a sudden that assistant disappears, could I possibly load this, haul it, set it up, break it down, reload it by myself? And a lot of people will say, well, you always need to bring an assistant along with you. Hey, things happen. It's been my experience that for one reason or another, it's possible that the help that you've lined up isn't going to be able to help you. All kinds of things can happen. It could be completely legitimate. I had somebody lined up to help me with my event tonight, but it fell through. So now I'm on my own. If I can set this stuff up by myself, if I can figure out logistically how to haul it in and set it up one-handed, by the way, that's my situation, do I have enough energy left to mentally be able to handle the task at hand? That's kind of the hard part tonight, I think. I'm going to be able to get it in. I'm going to be able to set it up. I can do most anything. It's going to take me time. I got to allow myself time to do this. And I hope that I've allowed myself enough time that I won't be completely physically exhausted, which in turn will make me mentally exhausted because I still need to perform the event. And I need to break it down at the end of the night. So those are the kind of things that I think about. And that's not including affordability. Can I afford this? I'm taking that off the table. Pretend money isn't an object. Those are the things that I think we all have to think about when we're looking at equipment and making decisions on what to buy and what to use for our events. And, those what ifs are kind of a big deal too. Think about the what ifs, because if you don't, you're going to find yourself in this really high stress situation. I don't want to be there. I want to be in low stress situations. I want things to be easy. So, I don't know. Just a quick vlog for you. That's it. Hope you guys all have a good gig this weekend. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.